Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by checking prerequisites. Ensure your Xiaomi Pad 6 runs the latest MIUI and that your carrier supports eSIM. Once done, connect to a stable Wi-Fi and disable any VPN. This avoids activation errors. Make sure you have the carrier's eSIM QR or activation code ready and jot down the tablet's IMEI from Settings About. Carriers often request it. Now open Settings and navigate straight to SIM cards and mobile networks, so you can add the new eSIM profile without delay. You'll now add the eSIM profile. Open Settings SIM cards and mobile networks and choose Add eSIM. You scan QR code for automatic configuration or enter details manually if provided. During this step, accept the carrier's terms and pick the plan type, data only or voice plus data. Then verify APN settings if prompted. Incorrect APN blocks data. Once the profile downloads, the system installs it. Make sure you activate the profile in the SIM settings and watch for signal. If it hangs, restart the tablet and retry. You finish by selecting default SIM behavior. Open SIM settings to set the eSIM as default for mobile data, calls, or SMS, and toggle roaming preferences if you travel. Then test connectivity by browsing and placing a short call to confirm service and billing. If something goes wrong, try basic fixes. Toggle airplane mode, restart the pad, or remove and re-add the eSIM profile. If problems persist, contact your carrier and provide the IMEI plus the activation time so they can trace provisioning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.